Hi guys, hope you're well. This is Sairam from Team Incognito from RMIT University. So I'm here to explain business solution for COVID-19 affected business in hospitality sector. So our team has come up with a good example how exactly the technology can be used in this time where we can connect to the people having a better solution for the businesses. So currently, it is a very tough time for the businesses in the hospitality sector. So where we are occurring a cost of sustainability has been come into place. For now, the income is been like nullified in most of the business. There is no income. Then but they need to pay a lot of bills. For example, electricity bill, gas bill, all those which is coming apart. But to increase the income of the each sector, we are here to provide a technological solution by providing an application. So, what are the problems we have here to solve? Or first thing is dealing with the sudden shift in the way of their trade. So, before there was an uh, for example, we had it in-time experiences which before we are going with families to have a break in the restaurant, but now we are connecting with the people by using application. So now the second strategy would be retaining the customer through takeaway experience. Now we are retaining the customers. We don't want to lose our customer, so we are using the application based where we can retain our services. The third one is rethinking the marketing strategy. So currently, due to this COVID-19 lockdown, the marketing strategies are more different. Before we had given a discounts in our uh, in the dining in the dining card, but now we can't able to provide those because of the stage 4 restrictions. People are remained inside their house, so we are going to give the good marketing strategies such as providing the loyalty points and providing some discounts in their applications. So and the major problem where we come across was the employment rate was suddenly decreased due to the sudden lockdown. There were the employees who worked as a part time and the full time, they lost their job. So because of that, there is the employment rate has been reduced. In order to solve all these problems, our project has come up with a great objective to provide a technological solution to all this small scale and large scale business. So the main objective of our project is providing a solution for small and large scale business to sustain themselves in the hospitality industry and prepare themselves for the future discrepancies. So currently we need to understand the market. So how exactly we are going to understand the market? Due to our current stage 4 lockdown, the people could not come into the dine in on the restaurant. So we need to take an another alternative solution for that. For that we are going away with the Uber Eats and Deliveroo. They are the current market delivering partner, but they are very having a high charges and delivery fees in their catalog. But our our application provides it's very yeah, it is very simple to use, and it will be having much lesser the rates which are specified in the Uber Eats Deliveroo example. So the target audience will be the customers, right? So here the customers are basically using the Instagrams or Facebook, so by which we can always reach out our customers. So using the Instagram page and using the Facebook advertisements, we can reach the target audience. So third one will be the proposed solution. What is our proposed solution? So currently the application is based upon AWS mobile development technologies. So here we are using so development software where we are going to use the CRM based AWS, where there is a direct interaction with the regular and the new customer alike. So in order to that, we have used AWS Dynamo NoSQL database, where it is a repository for saving out the customer data and the product data. So these are the two applications we are used over here. The main application which is based upon AWS software. The whole system is based upon the AWS software, that is a cloud computing software, where we having it where we are going to build upon our application and we are maintaining our repositories, customer repository. So here we come the process, how exactly the application is maintained. For now, the Amazon Web Service providing as a mobile service called AWS Amplify, where we are going to develop our application and where we are developing our application and then deploying the changes into the application. But in order to having the database to store the data of the customer and to store the data of the restaurant products and all, we use as the AWS database. And in order to promote these services, we are using the Instagram ads and some customer loyalty scheme. So the two major marketing strategies that we are going to use are, first one is the promotion through social media. Social media is most engaged by all the customers. So the first one will be the social media targeting, like Instagram post and the Facebook post. The second one is the very good and which is like much involved. The customers are much involved and much excited to use our services. As the second one is the loyalty points. So here, for each order the customer has placed, they will be getting out the each point they can earn. By this, they are encouraged to place the order, and even they are much encouraged to have a relationship with the business. So the business can greatly improved from the due to this COVID-19 lockdown because of the bad situation currently. So here they can engage with the customers through application. So we are going to get benefited from the business. So as a business perspective, when we think, it is a very good opportunity to them to implement these services in their own business segment. So in order to improve the customer base, and when we see according to the customer point of view, here we can notice the customer satisfaction. During this COVID-19 lockdown, there might be psychologically the customer might be ill or mental illness. There may be some major scenarios may be come into place. But when we are connecting the business to our customer, they feel like they are treated more they are much treated from their business, which was like before they were be visiting their dining experience, right? So they might be now they are much okay as when they're connecting with the business, they will be feel yeah like bit loud from their business, right? So it will be very good experience to them as well. So overall, the Amazon Web Services, this is a platform where we are going to use our mobile application and storing the customer data. So the cost perspective, when we come here for the cost perspective, we are seeing that for the hosting cost, it will be like $65 per month. It is very cheap when we compare to the other competitors. The app development overall will be coming around $3,000 with an additional support of 700 maintenance and support costs per year, and the marketing cost would be like $50 per week. Yeah. So the marketing cost basically it will be with respect to Instagram and Facebook advertisements. Yes. So apart from this, all the cost, okay, here it is very cheap when compared to the other services. So here comes to end of our presentation. Thank you so much.